flaps here. And this is gear.
That's gear. It's the same as you. I like it the other way too.
Alright y'all, I'm flying the Sirius finally.
Yeah. You just have to do the half throttle thing on takeoff for shorter too.
Yeah.
You go to half the flight.
Yep.
You'll like it. It flies.
Yeah, it's a good sport jet. It's just I had the gumption to fly it, but now I'm going to fly it. Damn it.
You want to fly with X3X that's like a jet?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, like that hasn't been done by a factory.
Not one that's been done aftermarket, but I've flown one out of the box. No, but I like lifting off right in front.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
It's pretty smooth.
What? Really smooth. And if you want, I don't have to drive on a switch button for the gate.
No, leave it alone. It's fine.
Okay.
I just want to see how it is.
You just want to see how those ailerons are at 100%. So yeah, I see why.
It is super maneuverable. Holy crap.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Whips. Holy crap.
Yeah, you can whip it with it. Just when you land, just don't.
No, I know.
Yeah, cutting those.
It
magnets,
opened.
It helped.
Yeah. Because it would start making that cavitation sound.
Cool. Flies really good.
It does.
Yeah,
Oh, it's super stable. Because it gets in ground effect and then... I will. I'm just wanting to see how it handles. There we go. That's into the wind. Let's do one downwind. Super stable. Feels faster since you cut those holes.
It does feel faster. It's quieter.
Yeah. That means that you're just getting more bite.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like it. No, it's still cool.
Well, perfect. It's a perfect, thing. You got it. And
But
at least you can fly.
no, I'll fly this whenever I want. But I don't. That's the thing, though. It wasn't about.
Well, you say whenever you want, but that won't happen.
Well, if I tell you I want to fly it, you'll let me fly it, right? Because I don't fly it very often.
I've been begging you to fly this. I'll let you fly if you ever ask.
Yeah, and I'll ask every now and then. But what I like is that it flies around at low throttle just fine.
Yeah. Well, you know what I noticed? It'll cruise a lot.
Yeah, look at that. So that's below half.
They're at 36%.
So I have my hand away from the brake.
36%. That's in the wind too, but it's not wind, it's even better.
Yeah. This is into the wind. And look, it's actually climbing. No, but it's going up.
Yeah.
If I pick up a little more speed. No, I know. I just normally I don't in the wind, but I'm going to anyway just for this flight. Oh yeah, like this. Yeah.
It'll get you.
It'll pop out.
I knew that was the
It's the flaps.
Well, yeah. Well, I knew it was gonna happen as soon as you punched it to act that.
It's a cool little plane. But I think that since you put these little extra holes in the side, it's got more punch.
Snapped up with like tapering, but I just cut it out and made it a bigger hole.
Cool. Yes, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. And it's red, white, and blue.
America.
Okay. That's enough.